shelter, protect, control the atmosphere, enhance the interior and exterior appearance. These words could summarize the activity of Ondex. As its research and production center, designs and produces PVC bi-oriented sheets, specially suited for construction. With 40 years of experience, Ondex is #1 worldwide in this type of technology. This leading position is simply due to the fact that bi-oriented sheets are the only ones that combine brightness, lightweight and exceptional resistance to hail, shock, ultraviolet rays and over 200 chemicals. But what is bio-orientation? The know-how and experience of Ondex have proved the limits of traditional methods of manufacturing reinforced PVC sheets. This is why Ondex has designed and implemented a manufacturing process using cutting-edge technologies and optimal control of the production line, the bio-orientation of sheets. This process consists in stretching the sheets during production in a longitudinal and transversal direction under conditions of perfectly controlled temperature and speed. This unique process increases the cohesion of the molecules of the material by triggering a sort of meshing of these molecules. The mechanical properties of bio-oriented sheets are greatly enhanced with no addition of chemical strengthening agents. So, the traction shock resistance of an Ondex plate can be up to 3 times as much as a non-bio-oriented sheet. Protection against ultraviolet sun rays is obtained through the co-extrusion process. During extrusion, the process consists of depositing a thin coat on one or both sides of the sheet into which a strong concentration of anti-ultraviolet chemical agents have been added. This layer stops the penetration of ultraviolet sun rays, and this currently remains the best protection. It goes without saying that the entire manufacturing process is strictly monitored with our methods of quality control. Those sheets that do not meet all the Ondex quality conditions are rejected and then recycled. Indeed, unlike other materials, PVC is perfectly recyclable, either directly on our production site or in the ViniLoop unit. The strict standards that we apply to production and quality control ensure that bio-oriented Ondex sheets can resist even the toughest tests. It is unthinkable that hail should be anything more than merely another type of precipitation. So Ondex bio-oriented sheets resist a bombardment of hailstones with no damage at a speed of over 200 kilometers per hour. Such performances are considerably greater than those required for waterproofing of roofs by the SIA 280. Ondex bio-oriented sheets resist hard shocks like the impact of hailstones, and they also resist the shocks of tennis balls and the fall of large-sized soft objects, developing an energy of 1,200 joules. In other words, this is equivalent to the fall of a person carrying a toolbox falling from his own height. Ondex bio-oriented sheets suffer no damage, but this is not the case for reinforced PVC sheets. Demonstration. If there is one test in which Ondex bio-oriented sheets show their superiority once again over their competitors, it's their behavior with fire. Polycarbonate is a material that is rated M2 dripping, a material that helps the fire to spread. Polyester is even worse. It's rated M4 dripping. Ondex bio-oriented sheets burn but do not spread the flames and do not produce any droplets. they shrink, and if there's any smoke, they let it out. Due to the behavior of Ondex sheets with fire, they're rated M1 non-dripping. Lastly, due to their chemical composition, Ondex sheets offer excellent resistance to alkalis, acids, and corresponding salts, to alcohols, and in general to most chemicals that are usually aggressive towards similar materials. Exceptional performances, dimensions, bending radiuses, Ondex sheets can be used in a great variety of ways, in a broad range of sectors. They can be delivered in lengths of up to 12 meters, and if standard lengths are supplied for certain profiles, Ondex sheets can also be provided for the length required for a particular use. The production lines manufacture over 6 million square meters of Ondex sheets yearly, 70% of which are exported all over the world. This figure sums up the ambition of Ondex to be close to its clients, first of all through a strong presence in the field, but also through the growth of e-business Ondex. It's also possible to discover the Ondex product range in greater detail. Contact a local representative or order directly. The Ondex definition of service even includes advice in laying and providing plans. Clients can consult the figures in their accounts. Everything is accessible with just a few clicks on the mouse in real time. This combination of resources enables Ondex to assist its clients anywhere in the world. The result is a fast reaction by Ondex to its clients' needs. Ondex is pursuing its ambition to be the #1 manufacturer of synthetic sheets and remains the world leader in bio-oriented sheets.